GTA 5 video, and later me and my friend are gonna do a GTA 5 video, like 7 to 8 for my time. So yeah, so I'm playing on GTA 5, level 170, and I don't have a lot of money on me right now because
I have a secret to tell you, Captain.
I don't play this too much anymore.
Calling Mr.
But
Rubio.
yeah,
I asked for directions to his
I'll be showing you all my cars and stuff. And if you want to join me, my Xbox game tag is blinking late 672. And yeah.
Goodbye.
So also, if y'all want to join my session ever, just put in my gamer tag and just text me on Xbox. Alright? And yeah, that's basically it. So, I used to play this game all the time. I don't play it too much anymore. I still play it, don't get me wrong, it's a great game, I still play it. I don't play it too much anymore though. But I really like to play this game. Yeah. Yeah, I just decided to make a video on it today. I'm probably gonna make 2 today, like I said. So, yeah. Right now I spawned in my submarine, and now I gotta go. Ooh, that's far. Okay, never mind. I'm like this one. No, I got you. my garage is over there. No, not that, right there. This will be a while. So, I'm not gonna clear out this part, only because it would only be like a 5-minute video, and that wouldn't be that good. So, I'm just not gonna take this out. Like, what's it called? Like, you driving it, it won't be too long. You know what, actually, let me just spawn in these. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah. Alright, so I only call my time. I'm not gonna spawn in a 2 global spawn, like of the cars I have, only because it would ruin it if I did. By the way, I'm not gonna be showing all my building garages right now, because I don't have that much time. But I will say this, I do have a max upgraded Gta5. That's like the one other thing that's important that y'all missing.
You're through to your garage. You need me to bring you a ride?
But I know y'all can read these, so I'm just gonna cut this out of the video. Well, no, never mind. I already said it. Alright, so I guess what's going on? I don't know what this is. So you're already gonna see a pretty cool car for the car I was spawning, because I don't want to drive the slow car.
I'll bring it to you.
It would take too long. So
Hey.
yeah. So I spawned in this car. It's not upgraded in speed, I just made it nice. Because lately I've been working on upgrading a different vehicle. And if y'all want to join my crew, it's I'll put it on like at the end of the video. So I'm not that good at driving either. Or I'm not the worst, I'm not good at it. But the only reason I don't like the racers in this is because I drive all the time. So. Or something like a pro driver, whatever it's called, in the sky. The only reason it says that. So I'm gonna have to rush to the cars, like, right now, so it's gonna be a bit. I don't even know what it is. Or no. Okay. Yeah, I just crashed into the wall. Not too far. Yeah, I should do this soon. Oh, sorry, I keep looking back on my phone. That's what I'm recording. I thought it was not fun. that one, but a while. Yeah. By the way, whenever I upload with people, I just for a month or two until I realize I find a way where I can really trade off and make it too. It's just gonna be me talking most likely. But like I'll be talking to them too. So just so I know. Because I was gonna make a Minecraft video and I did, but I couldn't upload it because it was only like a minute because it didn't record correctly. And it wasn't really uploaded. Because I was thinking you guys on it. Because I'm recording this on Xbox and like but I have Xbox app on my phone too. And so I just wanted to app and I just make it into it's a really good app. YouTube video, so I'll say that video. Because if you're a new YouTuber and you don't have a phone, you know, recording on Xbox, I recommend get Xbox app, link it to your Xbox account, and then you go to your phone. So, so yeah, I'm not probably gonna have the rest of my story actually. That's only because I'm not speaking with someone that I can figure oh, snap. But yeah, just keep in mind, these are not all my fault. But I'm not gonna go to it tomorrow. I don't make sure this recording. Yes, it is. Alright, so alright, we're here. So it does take a while to get inside of the garage for some weird reason. Yeah. It's still a dumb one. Cause I was trying to sell my other studio building and I kind of traded it in because I have a garage now, so I traded it in. I was gonna switch it to a free one. Sell my garage, like my building. But yeah. So now I'll just show out the cars in this garage. And yeah. So first off, the car I was driving was this car. I don't know how to pronounce it, so if y'all want, or like if y'all know what it's called, then this is another really nice car I have. Here's one of my first ever casino cars. It's called the Neo. It's a really, really cool car. This is a recent car I got. The Tyrus, really nice car too. Here is basically, in my opinion, it looks like a Lambo. It looks really nice. This is another cool car. I don't know how to pronounce that one. But yeah, there's nothing too much to show about them. But I just wanted to show out my cars, or one garage of my cars. By the way, there's 3 levels in the CEO garage, if I didn't know. You can buy 3 of them in the building. This is a car that I just wanted to make look nice for my crew. But I didn't flip it. There's a go-kart, there's this car, there's my R88. And now I'm going to show you out my last floor, and then I'm going to end off the video. Oh, wrong way. So, first off, these are all armored cars and gun vehicles. This is the one that you get for getting a casino penthouse for doing the missions. This is a scramjet, max upgraded. Deluxo, max upgraded. Insurgent, not max upgraded, but it's still really cool. And there is my Dune buggy vehicle. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And bye. I'll see y'all in the next one.